Track your every breath when you pair the Descent T1 transmitter with compatible descent dive computer via SubWave Sonar technology. This duo enables you to monitor your tank pressure, remaining airtime and air consumption rate for multiple types of diving. Easily install Descent T1 on your high-pressure regulator port without the need for a hose. You can pair up to 5 transmitters with each Descent Mk2i dive computer, so you can dive with multiple tanks or see your buddy's air levels with additional equipment, sold separately, and require device pairing. Compact dive accessory attaches to high-pressure regulator ports without interference from hoses. Built to withstand the elements, water rated to 11 atm or dive, 100 meters. Get tank pressure, airtime remaining, air consumption rate and battery remaining sent directly to paired Descent Mk2i dive computer with additional equipment sold separately. Pair up to 5 transmitters with each Descent Mk2i within a range of 10, so you can dive with multiple tanks or see your buddy's air levels with additional equipment, sold separately, and require device pairing. Battery life, up to 100 hours of diving with user-replaceable CR123 battery. Top reviews from the United States. Beeps but works flawlessly. I purchased the Mk2i before the transmitter, but after only 2 dives I knew the AI was a must and I wasn't disappointed. The audible chirp was distracting on the first few dives, but after I got used to it I don't even hear it anymore, and it doesn't chirp loins enough to be heard on my GoPro Hero 8 while underwater. My exhale on the 620T regulator is far louder. If you're on the fence about getting this in conjunction with the Mk2i, don't be. It is worth the money, and Garmin's software is easy to use to log and catalog all your dives.